This is going to be a video tutorial on how to permanently close your Monster account. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have my browser open now and I am logged into Monster. To permanently close your Monster account, first thing you want to do is go up to the upper right hand corner, up to these little icons up here. And the third one over, it looks like a little profile picture. If you put your mouse cursor over it, it says Profile. Click on Profile. Then the next thing you want to do is go down to these tabs up here. Dashboard, My Profile, Job Tracker, Job Alerts. You want to go down to the very last one that says Settings and click on Settings. Then you'll go down to the setting tabs down below this where it says Job Preferences, Privacy and Communications. You want to click on the one that says Manage Account. Then right down here it says it gives you the option to change your password. Down below that, Delete Account. To delete your Monster account, you would just click on Delete Account and then you would follow the prompts. I'm not going to delete my account, so I'm not going to click on it. Thanks for watching.